Hello students, today we are going to solve a numerical using Newton-Raphson method, which is used for solving a polynomial. So today we are studying with one variable only. So let us say the numerical is 2x square minus 3 sin x minus 5 equal to 0. We have to find out the root up, correct up to 4 decimal places. So number of iterations will depend upon the repetition of the 4 decimal places. Answer repetition till 4 decimal places. And initial approximation is given to us as x0 equal to 1. So, as studied in last session, we have to take the f of x. So, this is your f of x. We'll find out f dash of x because we have to apply the formula. So, f dash of x is equal to, you have to find out the first derivative with respect to x. So, this will be 4x minus 3 cos x. This is constant. So, this is the first derivative of equation 2x square minus 3 sin x minus 5. I hope it is clear till this point. Now let us apply the formula of Newton-Raphson method which we have studied in last session. So x of n plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn upon f dash of xn. So we have seen the derivation for this in my last video. Okay. So initial approximation is 1. So we will find out f of 1 and f dash of 1. Okay. So f of 1 means you have to place the value 1 here. So it is 2 into 1 ka square minus 3 into sine of 1 minus 5. Okay. And f dash of 1 is what? 4 into 1 minus 3 cos of 1. Okay. So in this formula, I will put the value of x0 as a 1. See, this is what we have discussed just now. In place of x0, you have to put 1. You will get the answer on Calci as 3.322067. So this is your next approximated root. This was your iteration number 1. Okay. Now we'll solve for iteration number 2. So in place of x1, it will be x2. In place of x0, it will be x1. So x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. Okay. So x1 we have 3.322067. I'll place it here. Now what is f of x1? So f of x is 2x square minus 3 sin x minus 5. So in place of x, you put the value as 3.322067 in your calci. Okay. And you have to find out 2 in bracket 3.322067 square minus 3 into sine of 3.322067 minus 5. Okay. So you will get f of x1. In the same way, you have to find out f dash of x1. Means you have to put the value 3.322067 as x here in this equation. Because this is your f dash of x. Okay. And you will get some answer that you have to put here. Okay. So it was 17.610743 and 16.239543. So if you solve this, you will get 2.237631. So this is your next approximate root. In iteration number 3, you will substitute this in place of x and you will resolve the equation. So say you are getting 1.991784. Still my digits after the decimal point, 4 digits after the decimal point are not repeating. Hence I have to resolve it for the next iteration. So we'll take this as a x and perform next iteration. Suppose we have got 1.97. Still it is not repeating. I will go for the next iteration. Say iteration number 5. I've got 1.970256. If we observe this two, up to 3 decimal places, it is correct. But what is asked? Up to 4 decimal places. So I'll solve one more iteration, iteration number 6. And I've got 1.97025. So it is repeating for 4 decimal places. So I'll stop here and I'll say that the root is correct up to 6 decimal places here. So your root is 1.970256. This is by Newton-Raphson method. I hope you have understood. If not, please comment.